V. Papu, September 8 to 12, Pre-Obra, V. Papu Art Exhibition, Lake Park. September 15 to 19, Obra, V. Papu Art Exhibition, GMH Quadrangle. The LSUD Pre-Law Society, Practice Court Training, July 9 and 30, Members, Pinoy SONA with PSPC and LCDC, August 1, all. Youth for the Win were involved too, Leadership Seminar with GTS, August 14, all. Academic Enrichment Program for Philippine Constitution, August 19 and 21, September 30, October 2, members. Real Deal, EDCA Forum, August 20, all. Political Science Consti Quiz B, September 10, Pol Sci. Intercollegiate Constitutional Quiz B3, October 1, all.